The IKEA food experience, which is not only unique but tasty and nutritious. Let's check it out. What's up YouTube, welcome to Complete Tech Review and welcome to my 5-part series of the CTR vlog. I've recently visited the IKEA store in Hyderabad, which is one of the biggest home furnishing stores in India. And here in the part 1 series, I'm going to talk about the food and dining experience that I received at IKEA. The food at the IKEA food court is not only delicious but also affordable. We get to see a lot of salad dishes and also meatballs, which is one of the trademark Swedish recipe. And to add the Indian flavor, we have the vegetable biryani with dal makhani and some potato fries. And to top it all, the desserts is really tasty and people with a sweet tooth will certainly enjoy it. If you have missed the food court experience and if you're still hungry, at the exit you have a small canteen which serves most of the snack stuff like samosa, ice creams, tea and coffee, and also some beverages. The price ranges from 10 to around 35 to 50 rupees. And just beside the canteen you have a small cafe and a sit out area. Also, the food court experience, the service is self-service, which means that once you're done you have to keep the plates back. So this was my food experience at the IKEA food court, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also do comment on my vlogs whether you like it or you don't. Until then, this is Kevin signing off. Bye bye.